Good day to everyone.
Next, we'll see another type of testing, that is usability testing. Testing the user friendliness of an application, it is called as usability testing. Here, we'll be checking the speed, help, navigation, compatibility, look and feel, and other features of an application. Next, we'll move on to the next type of testing, that is security testing. Security testing, it is a type of a software testing wherein our main goal it would be to identify all possible loopholes and weaknesses of a software system. We'll identify all the loopholes which might affect the company growth, its revenue, and it may cause the loss of information. This type of testing it is called as security testing. The types of security testings are ethical hacking, vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, risk assessment. Next, we'll see another type of testing, that is accessibility testing. In accessibility testing, we'll be testing the application from a physically challenged person point of view. This type of testing it is called as accessibility testing. It is also called as ADI testing, that is American Disability Testing, and it is also called as 508 compliance testing.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.